Hi there guys, it's Mike from the Jessops Academy team and you join me here in the Highlands of Scotland. Now, whilst it might not look it, it is very cold right now and I'm here to test a brand new camera from Panasonic. So we're going to go and have a look for some snow, which is traditionally rather difficult to film and photograph, but with the new GH5S, with its dual ISO capability, that shouldn't be a problem.
The GH5S builds upon the strong videography platform of the GH5 and the GH4, but specialises even further. This version can record in C4K, which is the highest resolution available so far in the series, and, like the GH5, can offer this at up to 60 frames per second. The GH5S also records 422 10-bit video to capture a vast range of colours and detail. It has Vlog-L pre-installed and has the option to record in hybrid log gamma for HDR video playback. When recording in 4K or C4K, you have a choice of several aspect ratios: 3:2, 4:3, 16:9 or 17:9. And a massive benefit on the GH5S is there is no cropping when you use any of these modes. The biggest difference between the GH5 and the GH5S is the sensor. The sensor is 10.2 megapixels and has an increased ISO range up to 51,200. This increased sensitivity is provided by the dual ISO system. Each pixel has two dedicated circuits. This allows the sensitivity to be set before gain is amplified and overall reduce image noise when using higher ISOs. The dual ISO has three settings: auto, low and high. The GH5S has a couple of physical changes as well. The EVF has a display speed of 120 frames per second, the camera can be externally powered via the USB-C port, and the flash sync terminal is now also a TC in-out port for synchronizing timecodes with multiple cameras. Unlike the GH5, the GH5S does not offer in-camera image stabilization. The camera is also splash-proof, dust-proof and freeze-proof.
Ready? Yep. Rolling.
Combining the high sensitivity of this camera with the variable frame speed, we were able to get these shots. The GH5S can film up to 240 frames per second in the variable frame rate at 1080p, which really captures the moments, even in these challenging lighting conditions.
Are you ready?
That was so close!
As well as being great for capturing moments of action like a snowball fight, the variable frame rates can be used for time lapses or to slow down simple things like burning logs.
So after a day of filming in the snow, the best place to be is really sitting by the fire. I can tell you after a day of playing with the GH5S that this camera has built upon what made the GH5 so popular with videographers. Its versatility and user-friendliness has not changed, but with the addition of dual ISO and the additional high sensitivity modes, this camera will really help you to take your video to another level. For YouTubers and other film content creators, this camera will really allow you to take your production and really run with it. If you'd like any more information, you can check it out at jessops.com or you can visit any one of our stores. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
Tell me when.
Rolling. Tell me you got that.